Hello, my children. Today we'll start together Unit 5. This unit about people and places. So we will read in Lesson A about Mr. Aito. Last week, Mr. Aito was not at school. He wasn't at school. Where was he? He was in Japan. Why he went to Japan? Visiting his family. So he went to Japan to visit his family. Mr. Aito arrived in Tokyo on Monday. He was tired. So when did he arrive? He arrived on Monday. Where? In Tokyo. And he was tired because of traveling. He was also hungry. Where were his glasses? He couldn't find his glasses, so this is why he was hungry. His glasses were on his head. Mr. Aito was happy. When he found his glasses, he was happy. His aunt, uncle, and the cousin were at the airport. They were happy to see him. They were waiting for him at the airport to see him. So they were happy to see him. Mr. Aito had a good vacation in Japan. Vacation the same as holiday. Your summer, after you finish your school, you take what? Vacation. He was sad when he said goodbye. He was what? He was sad. So let's read quickly. Last week, Mr. Aito was not at school. He was in Japan, visiting his family. Mr. Aito arrived in Tokyo on Monday. He was tired. He was also hungry. Where were his glasses? His glasses were on his head. Mr. Aito was happy. His aunt, uncle, and cousin were at the airport. They were happy to see him. Mr. Aito had a good vacation in Japan. He was sad when he said goodbye. Let's find out and know together some difficult words, then we'll come and answer exercise B. Here we have some new words. So please repeat after me. Tired, tired. When you do something, you feel what? Tired. After you finish your work, you feel tired. Sad, sad. Happy, happy. Glasses, glasses. Hungry, hungry. Airport, airport is the place where you can fly. Now, let's answer exercise B. Look and write about Mr. Aito. Here we can use these words. Happy, sad, hungry, tired. Yes, which one was he happy? Yes, he was happy here. Yes, so you're going to write happy here. When he found his glasses. Sad. Yes, here. Sad when he said goodbye. Sad. Yes, tired. Tired. Yes, here you're going to write tired. Hungry. Yes, hungry. Because he was looking for his glasses. So, in this unit, we will learn together verb to be in past. We said before that verb to be in present consists of am, is, are. Today we'll learn together how to use it in past simple or past tense. Verb to be in past consists of what? Was or were. We said in present it consists of what? Am, is, and are. Am and is, I change them to was if I want to talk in past. Are, change it to were. So if I have I, he, she, it, or any singular noun takes what? Was. They, we, you, or any plural noun takes were. For example, I was in grade 2 last year. Now you are in grade 3. Last year, I was in grade 2. He was happy last night. They were naughty yesterday. So to make a positive sentence, you use was or were. I use was with I, he, she, it, or any singular. And I use were with they, we, you, or any plural noun. What about negative sentence? To make a negative sentence with verb to be in past, just put not after was or were. Just you put what? Not after was or were. For example, he wasn't in grade 5 last year. He was in grade 4. So wasn't, the contraction form means was not. They weren't, they were not neighbors before. Mona, singular, yes, so was not, wasn't at the same school in grade 2. So to make negative, I put what? Not after was or were. Here we have the short forms or the contraction forms. I was not, I wasn't. He was not, he wasn't. She was not, she wasn't. It was not, it wasn't. They were not, they weren't. We were not, we weren't. You were not, you weren't. Here we have some words that express past tense. So if I have one of these words, I know that my sentence in past, like yesterday, last time, last, then time. For example, last night, last year, last month, last week. Then we have time, then the word ago. 2 days ago, 3 years ago, 2 months ago. Preposition in, then a year, past year, in 1995, in 1236. So in, then a year. For example, I was happy yesterday. Not today, yesterday, the day before. She was in grade 4 last year, not this year. This year she is in grade 5. Last year she was in grade 4. They were friends 2 years ago. He was in London in 1989. How to make yes or no question with was or were. The same as any helping verb. Just you're going to start with was or were. Then your subject, and then complete your sentence. And we said before that the answer would be yes or no. When you answer with no, you have to put not after was or were. For example, he was in the garden yesterday. He was in the garden yesterday. So just a switch. Was he in the garden yesterday? Yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. They were happy. Start with where. Were they happy? Yes, they were. Or no, they weren't. So we said that was or were, then the subject, then complete your sentence to make yes or no question. How to make a WH question? Start with the question word, then was or were according to your subject, then complete your sentence and the question mark. Question words like what? Like when, where, how many, which, what, how far, how long. And then was or were. I choose was or were according to the subject. If my subject is he or she or it or any singular noun, I use was. If my subject is we or you or they or any plural noun, I use were. Then complete your sentence. But pay attention that the part that we are asking about, we will not write it in the question. Example, he was in the garden yesterday. So ask with when. So when was he in the garden? When? Yesterday. When was he in the garden? They were in grade 5 last year. Make which grade? Question with which grade? So which grade were they in last year? They were in grade 5. Exercise number 2. Listen and match. You will listen in the class, then you will match. Today, yes, Mr. Aito is at school. We're going to match. Yesterday he was in Japan. Last week he visited his family. Exercise B. Tell a classmate about you last week, yesterday, and today. We said that last week and yesterday, so you talk what? You talk in past. But today in present. For example, yesterday I was happy. Today I am sad. Or the opposite. Yesterday I was angry. Today I am happy. So again, yesterday, so it's past. You're going to use was or were. Today is present. So you're going to use am or is or are. Counting the days. We said that we have 7 days, yes, in a week. Complete the calendar. Here we have a calendar for this month. Circle today's date on the calendar. Today's date is what? Today is Monday. Yesterday was 1 day ago. Last Monday was before this Monday, 7 days ago. Last Wednesday was 4 days ago. Last Saturday was 2 days ago. Yes, excellent. Let's answer some exercises together. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I was, where, am at school last week. Last week, it's past. And we said I takes what? Asma, I was. Yes, I was at school last week. Number 2, yesterday, they was or were are at the airport. Yesterday, they, Mahmoud, they were. Yes, were. Number 3, the glasses, plural, the glasses was or were or are on the table last night. Last night. Abdullah, where? Yes, where. Number 4, she is or was or were at school yesterday. She was. Yes, she was at school yesterday. Number 5, I feel sad or tired or angry when I say goodbye to my friends. I feel, yes, Mariam, sad. Yes, sad. Excellent. Number 6, she have or had or has a nice vacation in Japan last year. It's past. Ibrahim, she had. Yes, had. Because it's past. Number 7, I feel happy or tired or angry when I eat ice cream. I feel happy. Yes, happy. Number 8, where was or where or is my glasses? Where? Yasmin, where? Yes, glasses plural. So where my glasses? 9, my uncle's son is your uncle's son is my aunt, uncle, or cousin? Marwa? Cousin. Yes, cousin. Number 10, my father's brother. Your father's brother is my aunt, uncle, or cousin. The last one, Wala. My father's brother is my uncle. Yes, excellent. Your uncle. Thanks, boys and girls. You were great today. Thanks for watching and wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.